Very good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 4, Scratch. This is the last chapter. So what is a Scratch? In the previous class 4th, we have also learned about the Scratch. So we will learn more about this in class 5th. So what is a Scratch? It is a simple fun-based programming language designed by Lifelong Kindergarten Learning Group at MIT to produce some programming concepts in interactive manner. So in this language, we have not learned the text commands. There are no any rules about we have to use them. These are the ready-made tools. We have to drag and drop the tools and we are able to see the results. So all the commands are on the screen. We just need to drag drop them and we are able to see the quick results of our work, including graphics and sound. So students, for this you have the Scratch is automatically downloaded on your system. If it is not available, so you can download the Scratch from the Google. It's Scratch 2 offline editor. You have to write Scratch 2 offline editor in the Google and then download it. After that, this will be available on your screen. You have to double click it and this is the window of the Scratch. So students, see here, you all are familiar with this window because we have learned about Scratch in the class 4. So this is known as your sprite. By default, the sprite is a cat sprite and this is your blocks. So this is a motion block, looks block, sound block, pen block, data block. So these all are the blocks. So what is the sprites? Scratch projects are made up of the objects called the sprites. We can change how the sprites look by giving it the different costume. We can also change the costume of the sprite. We can add sprite as a person, tree, butterfly. So we will discuss it later on. So suppose you want to do the movement of this sprite. So we will be working with these scripts. Suppose I want, this is my sprite. By default the sprite is here and I want the sprite will move the 10 steps, है ना. So जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे, देखो sprite move कर रहा है. So this is the script and this is known as your script area. This area is known as your script area or this is the script. Suppose you want the cat will move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees. तो आप क्लिक करो बेटा, देखो cat move कर रहा है 10 steps और turn भी ले रहा है ना turn. So this is the how the script is able to move the cat. So each block represents the different commands or action that tell us the application how to execute. So whenever you execute the script, Scratch runs from top to bottom. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हैं, आपका जो Scratch है, पहले ये स्टेप फॉलो होता है, फिर ये स्टेप फॉलो होता है. So it will move from top to bottom. So I am going to tell you about, delete कर देते हैं sprite को. Now when you delete any of the sprites, suppose I am going to delete this sprite, delete किया, आप यहाँ पर गए, new sprite पे गए. So you have the libraries. Suppose this is an animal, this is a fantasy, this is the letters. So you can click on the all and suppose you want to add this as a sprite and click on the OK button. The sprite is available on the screen. So you can remove any of the sprite and you can add any of the another sprite on the window. Now we are going to discuss about the blocks in the sprite. The first block is your motion block and this motion block will contain these scripts. So motion block में क्या करते हैं? We have to learn about the motion of this. Motion means movement. So suppose करो आप लोग, अभी मैंने आपको बताया, जैसे ही आपने move 10 steps किया, so click on the number 10 and you can also change its value. आप जैसे क्लिक करेंगे ये 10 steps मूव कर रहा है, आप इसका steps इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं और डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. सपोज यू वांट टू इंक्रीज द स्टेप्स टू 30. सो आप थोड़ा सा इसको बैक लेकर जाइए एंड नाउ क्लिक ऑन दिस. देखो अब इट विल मूव फास्टर, ठीक है ना. सो यू कैन टर्न दिस ऑल्सो. इट्स 15 डिग्री. यू कैन चेंज इट्स वैल्यू. सपोज इट्स 25. नाउ क्लिक ऑन दिस. देखो बेटा, now your sprite is moving. So this is all done with the help of the motion block. आप ये लेकर जाइए देखो ना आप क्या होगा, क्लॉकवाइज टर्न होगा फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज टर्न होगा, देखो टर्न हो रहा है। स्प्राइट इज नाउ, यस, तो स्प्राइट 30 स्टेप मूव करता है फिर टर्न ले लेता है, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट इज you can set this x and y value also, ठीक है। so this is your motion block. So in this way the sprite will moves in the new direction. Students, we are going to learn about the next block, that is the pen block. So what is the pen block will do, it will help us to draw the different shapes using different colors and pen sizes. So we can click on the pen button to show the pen block. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे पेन बटन के ऊपर, so this is the pen down block, this is the pen down block which help us to draw the shapes. So when you click on the motion button and when you add the cat pen down block, you will able to see the difference. Now जैसे ही आप करेंगे, देखो बेटा मैंने क्या लिखा है, move 20 steps, जो ये स्प्राइट है मूव करेगा पेन डाउन, पेन डाउन से क्या होगा, शेप ड्रॉ होगी। पेन साइज कितना है 20, सो दिस इज द थिकनेस ऑफ द साइज, ठीक है। एंड सेट द पेन कलर टू द सी ग्रीन, तो जो भी कलर है आपका उस कलर पे आपका पेन सेट हो गया। नाउ आप क्लिक करेंगे एंड यू आर एबल टू सी द डिफरेंस, देख रहे हैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ हो रही है, थिक लाइन है। यू विल चेंज इट्स साइज ऑल्सो, सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द साइज टू 10, ठीक है। आप क्लिक करिए, आप देखना, एक सेकेंड, यस, नाउ सी द डिफरेंस। जैसे ही हमने पेन साइज कम किया बेटा, लाइन इज नाउ थिन, so this is the difference, this pen size will help us to draw the line. जैसे ही वैल्यू आप इंक्रीज करेंगे the line will be thick, जैसे ही वैल्यू आप कम करेंगे the line will be thin. So this pen option will help us to draw the different sized blocks. So students, I have writing some script on this. What is the script? Turn 15 degrees. This sprite will take the turn, move 30 steps, pen down, that will be help to draw the shape, and then set the pen size to 10. Now run this script, you will see the sprite will draw a circle. क्या हो रहा है, टर्न ले रहा है, मूव कर रहा है, एंड पेन डाउन से क्या हो रहा है, शेप ड्रॉ हो रही है, और उसका जो पेन का साइज है वो 10 है, ठीक है। नाउ इफ यू डिक्रीज द मूव वैल्यू, you will be able to see the difference. Now run this script, see the difference. Here is a small circle will be drawn, so this will depend on the move. So students, in this way this pen block and motion block both will combine to draw the different shapes. So students, try to make the rectangle, try to draw the circle with the help of the script, ठीक है। So students, our next block is the looks block. So this is a looks block. क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पर, next costume को add किया and change the color by 25. Now you will see the cat will be changes its color when you run the script. See the difference. जैसे आप स्क्रिप्ट रन कर रहे हैं कलर चेंज हो रहा है और उसकी वैल्यू है 25. यू कैन चेंज इट्स वैल्यू ऑल्सो, 50 कर दो. Now there is a minor difference because the value is now changes to 50. Okay, so this is how the looks block will work. You can also add this, suppose you want to add some caption. जैसे ही कलर चेंज हो और जो कैट है वो बोले हेलो, तो आप देखिए बेटा जैसे ही मैंने क्लिक किया हेलो फॉर 2 सेकेंड्स, देखो जैसे ही 2 सेकेंड्स खत्म हुए हेलो डिलीट हो गया. अगला कॉस्ट्यूम आया हेलो delete, next costume hello. So in this way you can ask any of the word to say the cat to say. So this is the word is hello. You can change its value also. Suppose you want to say I am cat, so you can add here I am cat जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे तो लिखा हुआ आ गया आई एम अ कैट. सो दिस इज बेटा what the looks block will do. So motion block, looks block and pen block. So students try all these. Okay, in the next class we will learn something new. Thank you.